What?
Oh, I saw you coming in with those things this morning.
Welcome to this episode of Fish Tank. I'm Jake Bone, and today's guests are here to share with us a new and innovative way to learn. According to Jaspers and Forbes, 78% of Forbes feel their students are ready for work when they graduate. It sounds crazy, but it's true. One of the major reasons is that students today don't have critical thinking and problem-solving skills. To solve that problem, we have created something to what someone learns about critical thinking and problem solving. Please let me introduce from Titan Corp, Caden, Aaron, and Mitchell.
Thanks, Jake. My name's Caden. I'm the president of Titan Corp. We have developed the Titan Challenge platform, which allows small teams to learn and practice critical thinking and problem solving skills in a simulation game. Each platform consists of a large touchscreen activity table connected to a central server, software that uses touchscreens to immerse the teams in the game, a video display monitor, and webcam. The teams compete against each other but must work together to solve the challenge. They compete, challenge, and learn and connect. To explain further, here's Aaron, our president of product and development.
Thank you, Caden. To learn, the platform provides a method to follow for critical thinking and problem solving, along with game rules and clues using short videos, images, and text clues. The challenge is a simulated game that follows a fictional storyline where each team plays a supporting role. Connect provides a way for each team to work together using video conferencing, email, Twitter, and instant messaging. All of this allows for people to practice what they've learned through a fun, interactive, multiplayer game. Different challenges can be created for different audiences and skill levels. Our initial challenge is aimed at middle school students and is called Undercover. Mitchell, our game designer, will give an overview of the challenge.
Thanks, Aaron. In this challenge, each team is acting as a member of various intelligence agencies who need to collaborate in order to prevent an arms dealer from selling a nuclear weapon. 4 different puzzles will help them make the needed decisions. Critical thinking, in addition to information provided in the puzzle instructions, will be needed in order to solve them. At the end of the challenge, each team will be scored on several factors, including teamwork, use of critical thinking and problem-solving methods, completion of the puzzle, and how well they work with the other teams.
We believe our target audience of middle school students will love our product, and we hope you do too. We're looking for $200,000 to help us start a cost, and are offering a 15% share if you're willing to do us today.
What motivated you to create this product?
You heard the stats in person. These types of skills are lacking in kids today, and after our own research with middle school students, we've decided the best way to teach that is to allow them to interact in a game with their peers.
You guys consulted with any other professionals while you were working on the project?
Yes, we've consulted with a number of learning professionals, including people from Corning, Nike, Five Wits in Syracuse, and Willink Middle School staff members. All of them felt this was an excellent idea and provided great feedback that we've incorporated into our final presentation.
Alright, but how does this improve critical thinking and problem solving?
The platform provides a method to follow for problem solving. It allows the teams to use that method through a fun game that allows them to work across time zones, countries, and even languages. All of this provides real-world skills that are currently not being taught to students today.
I think this is a great product, but I've already invested money in SmartBoard Technologies, who have a smaller scale product available to kids up to age 8, so I'm out.
We are aware of what SmartBoard offers, but our project is more interactive and adaptive to learning styles of all ages. The inclusion of video, email, and instant messaging provides more ways to collaborate and allows students to learn, challenge, and connect.
In that case, I'll give you the full $200,000, and I'm fine with the 15% share. Thank you, Nico. This is a great way to help for the success of our business.
Congratulations to Titan Corp for getting Nico to fund your project, and thank you for joining us for another episode of Fish Tank. Good night, New York.
Great job, guys. Very nice.
Any questions?
Oh, absolutely. I'm sure we'll have questions. So, how, as a team, did you decide on this problem and how you would solve it? Yeah, go ahead.
First we came up with this idea called Titan Chamber, which is basically a full-scale model of something you walk through with challenges in it, like this.
5 wits.
That's kind of like the thing that we were talking about, 5 wits. So you walk through, your adventure kind of thing. We realized that was kind of just for like entertainment. So then we tried to get it done because we really realized we couldn't really move it. It wasn't really that interactive. So we took it to a smaller scale size, put it electronically, and put it so you can put it around the world, which is global. And right here you have Undercover, which is one of our missions now.
And what we wanted to do was we all sat around a table, one of our first meetings, and asked what do we like and don't like about school. And our first thing was, well, we don't like that we sit around at a desk for an hour, for about 5 or 8 hours a day.
6.
I counted.
Between 5 and 8.
Yeah. And we never really get up unless it's really like gym or we're in between classes. So we wanted to make something that we can pretty much interact, and we took this online survey that pretty much told us what our learning style is. And 7 out of the 9 people were tactile, 1 was visual, and 1 was pretty much kind of equal of all 3. And we realized that if most of the people on our team are tactile, that means they want to be hands-on. So we made this final presentation to kind of use our hands and have more fun.
And
Over.
also, when I wanted to add on that some people like to listen to something, so this table will help us hear. It will let us touch on, like, hands-on everything, and then we can also look at it because it'll have moving things. And we learn that sometimes if we watch videos at school, we learn that better than when we get it on notes.
Okay.
So that's why.
So that's why this would have video built into
Yeah.
it.
To add on what Nico was saying, basically just trying to say that our product targets all learning styles. So visual learners, they can see the challenges, auditory learners can hear what's happening, and tactile learners can do the challenges.
That was a very smart way to look into that.
Yes.
I heard that you did research. You definitely did research. You identified products that already exist. Tell me more about what kind of sources you use for research.
So what we did was we first kind of went to other people or across different companies, and including people from like Corning and Nike. And one of the people who works at Corning, this is Nancy J. Brown. She gave us great feedback, and this is one of her quotes that she sent back to us. This is the kind of idea needed to take learning beyond the classroom, and I love that it is based on Corning technology. We will be exploring the real feasibility of this solution in our corporate training programs.
Great. So it sounds like you not only got information from them, but then you shared your idea with them once you had kind of. Tell me more about how you shared this idea with people.
We used email. We went to 5 wits in Syracuse. Okay. Sorry. We went to 5 wits in Syracuse, and have you heard of 5 wits?
No, I haven't.
It's a place where it's like an interactive. It's kind of a way to learn, but you go there and you like go into a room and you try and figure out like solutions to problems. It's like you're trying to stop in one of the 5 wits things, you're trying to stop arms dealer.
Okay.
And you have to go through like different missions, challenges
Okay.
to do that, to stop the arms dealer.
So that
So
was
you-
called Fiverr?
Five
Five
wits.
wits.
Five wits.
Yeah.
And something that goes good along with our project is this poster, which is Titan Challenge Platform, the Smart Board,
Got 1 minute.
Activity Table, the Smart Board, and the Express One. The X's mean like
It doesn't have.
it doesn't have it,
Right.
question is,
We don't know.
we don't really know,
Right.
but maybe sometime we'll find out. But right now, we can't figure it out.
Okay.
And
So-
it just keeps going across from like
Right.
Learn, Challenge, Connect system.
So tell me a little more about how you shared your idea once you had come up with this.
We shared it by some people we couldn't really reach, like Nike, let's say. We couldn't really go there. So right here, our coach emailed or called him up, and we actually put together this little videotape for them. The Technical Titans, which is our other group from Willink, we respect them too, and us. We came together with a video, and we sent it to Nike to give us some feedback on our project here.
Okay, great. I think we're just about out of time, so thank you very much. It's
Thank
very, very enjoyable. So have fun and good luck with the rest of your day.